Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for classes 1 to 10. At Swiflearn, we try harder each day to transform millions of lives. I am Charu, and I'm back here again with very interesting topic. Any guesses what the topic would be today? Okay, I want you all to keep thinking about that. I am not here with an academic English topic today. Rather, I have brought for you one very interesting topic that is definitely going to help you sail through life. Okay, so let's get started. Let me start by asking you a question, and my question is, have you ever wondered how smart people just address the elephant in the room and talk the talk? Anytime they enter the room, they just become the life of the party. They lighten up the entire space. And we all secretly want to be one of them. Don't we? Yes, we definitely do. So today, I am going to talk about how we can be one of those people, how we can be a charismatic personality. So let's get started. So in this session, we will learn what exactly is the true meaning and nature of a charismatic personality. What is the importance of having an amazing persona? Why should we make efforts towards becoming an amazing and charismatic person? And I'm also going to talk about the surefire tricks that can help you to become a people magnet so that all the people cannot resist but be friends with you. Okay, so now let us get started. What do you understand by a charismatic persona? So, to develop a charismatic personality, in order to develop a charismatic personality, you have to work on your spiritual development, meditate, work on concentration, play Sudoku, use and solve brain teasers. So, that is how you work on your spiritual development. Next is work on your physical and mental health. Yes, very, very important. Sometimes we take our health, physical well-being for granted, and then we fall ill. Whatever we are able to earn and whatever we are able to gain, we just spend all of that while looking out for our health, while recovering our health back. So it's better that we every day focus on our physical and mental well-being. Next is emotional well-being. Yes, a charismatic personality is always able to balance the emotions and the logic. Okay, so you have to learn how to control your emotions. You have to work on your emotional side as well. Next is social. So, a charismatic personality is a gregarious person. That person is a people magnet. People cannot resist, but they always listen to that person and want to be around that person. Charismatic personality leaves everyone in awe. They have got such a charm. Okay, so they are able to charm people easily because they work on their spiritual, physical, mental, emotional, and social well-being. So if you want to win and influence people, you want to be loved and trusted by everyone, if you want to lead the group and be that leader, if you want to be successful in every field, then my dear audience, let me tell you that you have landed at the right place, because I am, as I already told you, going to be talking about the surefire tricks that can help you become that amazing, magnetic, charismatic, and robust personality. If you want these adjectives before your name, then stay tuned and keep watching. And so here comes the most important and the most magnetic part of the entire session. Tips and tricks to become a magnetic personality. What are they? So, yes, first is being an effective listener. Be honest and tell me, do you like the friend who keeps talking about himself or herself the entire time, or the person who listens to you very effectively and gives you his or her shoulder to cry on? Obviously, you would say the second one. Even I would be drawn towards that person who's a great listener, who shows me that kind smile and who listens to me without any judgment. And we all are drawn towards certain kind of a personality, right? So, how you can become that personality, how you can become that effective listener. Remember, communication is a ratio of 75% listening and only 25% talking. So, you should should be more on the listening side in order to be speaking effectively, in order to make that impression. Okay, so you have to look at the speaker. Anybody, when they talk to you, they would want you to look at them, because when you look at them, you make them feel valued, right? So you have to look at that person when they're talking to you. You have to keep a kind smile, right? Smile has the power to stir hearts, as I always keep saying in my all the videos, right? So today I'm again telling you that keep a kind smile whenever you are being an effective listener. Trust me, this kind smile is going to be a door opener for you. Okay, be engaged throughout. Yeah, so how do you be engaged throughout the talk of the person? Okay, so you have to use small affirmations. So you can be uh-huh, really. So you do not have to really interrupt the other person when they're talking, right? Do not cut their talk in between, but all you can do is you can use right? Your face gestures, your facial expressions, and little words. Okay, be non-judgmental. Just listen to them without any judgments. Okay, and after they have finished talking, ask them follow-up questions, or maybe summarize all that they have said. This is going to work as a magic. All right, so just remember to do all of that. Next, do not underestimate the power of humor, right? So be funny bones. Tickle their funny bones. Everybody likes their funny bones to be tickled, right? That is why we watch stand-up comedies. We are drawn towards people who make us laugh. We want to be in their company because they just lighten up the entire space through their humor and wits, right? So just crack a joke, be very light, okay? Do not worry about what people are going to think about you. They do not even have time to think about you most of the time, right? It's just our perception. So crack a joke. Lighten up the situation. Look at the lighter side of any situation. Okay, be approachable. So whenever you are funny, people think that you're more approachable because you're very comfortable in your own skin and you're cracking jokes on yourself. It's not a bad habit to crack a joke on yourself, right? You should not feel that people will consider you as a vulnerable personality and they would hurt you. No, 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 my dear audience, that's not what's going to happen, right? If you show your witty and humorous side, people are going to think that you're very approachable, right? Because you can make fun of yourself. You're very comfortable in your own skin. That is why. And they're going to say, lol, you're so funny. And we love to be around you. Alright, so be Mr. Funny Bones. Be Miss Funny Bones. Okay, just be Funny Bones. Okay, then next. Yes, this is one of my favorite tricks. I'm just telling you. Trust me when I say this. Fake it till you make it. And that's how life functions. If you don't know anything, that's perfectly fine. Fake it till you make it. You know, the conscious brain and the subconscious brain. So when you have to train your when you have to train your subconscious brain, you have to first train your conscious brain, right? So when you practice it for some time, that comes into your habit, that becomes your habit. That thing becomes your part of your personality. Okay, so how does that happen? Because you're faking it. So fake it till you make it. And what I'm talking about here, I'm talking about harnessing the power of confidence. Who doesn't like to be a confident speaker? The one who stands tall and address the audience. The one who is able to be a great public speaker, right? So harness the power of confidence. When you have confidence, when you can stand tall, people consider you a great storyteller. People want to listen to you, to your stories of success, your stories of failure, because there is something about you. There is some magnetic vibe that the confident people have, right? Because they are very comfortable in their own skin. They accept themselves the way they are. They believe in themselves, right? And also they celebrate others. When you are confident, you feel very secure. You don't want other people to validate you because you have the power to validate yourself. And you know that the only person that can make you happy is you yourself, my dear audience. It's you yourself, right? So harness the power of confidence. Now, what is this? People tell you that don't tell your secret to others. Don't they? Yes, they definitely do. But then what am I telling you? I am telling you, tell a secret to your friend. Yes. Tell a secret to your friend and see how it works. When I say tell a secret, I'm not telling you to just go blindly trust everyone. But when you tell secret to the people who are very close to you, it helps you make bonds with them. Right? You have a great bonding with that person. Why? Because they trust you. They feel that this person has shared their secret with me. That means they trust me. Right? So this secret is going to help you build trust. It's going to help you improve bonds with people, and it will help you to build that inner circle of 5 that we heard in Dear Zindagi. Right? So that inner circle of 5, you can trust 5 people in your life. And how does that happen? When you share a secret with them. Okay, but remember that you do not have to go tell somebody's secret to other people. Okay, that's how people will never trust you. Okay, that's when people are never going to trust you. So you have to make sure that just like you want them to contain your secret, you should also be able to contain their secret in your belly. Okay, and because when you tell your secret to people, you seem approachable. Okay, they understand that it's not only them, it's you too who has gone through a similar situation, right? So it helps you build trust. Okay, so tell a secret to somebody. And last but not the least, don't take the spotlight, give it. I told you, when you're confident, you don't need other people to validate you, but you should validate others. Remember, people always remember the people who make them feel great about themselves. Okay, so there are some people who want others to validate them, and that's how they feel confident, right? Wouldn't you like if somebody complimented you and told you, you look beautiful, hey, you look handsome, hey, you talk so nicely, hey, you have a great accent. Okay, so you like it. People tell you you're so helpful, so you like people complimenting you. So don't you think that others would like to be complimented as well? So why not make a difference? Talk about their qualities. Everybody likes to talk about themselves, right? It's always like, yeah, same with me. Yeah, it happened with me as well, right? So please avoid that me too syndrome. Don't take away their spotlight, give it to them. Let them shine, and they're definitely going to remember you. Okay, nobody remembers a great talker, but they definitely remember a great listener. Okay, so you have to learn to balance your talk and your listening skills. Do not always take the spotlight, rather give it. Okay, so remember everyone that you're born to be awesome and not ordinary. And how you can become awesome? By practicing these small tricks. Okay, I really believe that you have all known these techniques all through your lives, but sometimes we forget them. They go at the back of our heads because we're so busy and indulged in our everyday lives. So now, whenever you feel sad and depressed and you want people to listen to you and you want to be that charming personality, please come back to this video and do watch it and feel that you are awesome. Every day tell yourself that I am awesome and not ordinary. And remember to make a difference in everybody's life. Thank you so much for watching the video. I am going to be back soon with yet another interesting segment. So stay tuned for more and keep showering all your love. Keep liking the videos, subscribing the videos, and sharing them across. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. See you, everyone.